Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Robust solution output with contact non-linearity can be difficult to achieve for large assemblies with many contact bodies. Here we'll show techniques to simplify the approach using Apex's many part and assembly controls. Most production level models will contain many parts which can exert contact loads on one another. Contact response can be complicated by phenomena such as preload, friction and interference fits. Apex allows individual contact pair status, such as glued or general touching contact, to be swapped during build. The part and assembly architecture in Apex allows each of these contact conditions to be checked in an incremental manner, allowing you to build confidence in the overall model response. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.